Looking at example 1, so suppose y varies directly as x. Okay, I like to circle this varies directly part. This is the most important part. Y varies directly as x. That means that y is over x. Okay, whatever's first, so in this case y varies directly as x, so it's y over x. Okay, now it tells me y equals 16. My y is on top. Okay, when x is 8, my x is on the bottom. Okay, so right here it said y equals 16. My y is on the top. Told me x is 8, so x goes on the bottom. Write an equation representing these variables. All I need to do is figure out my constant of variation, and then I can write my equation. Okay, 16 over 8, you can simplify that in your calculator. That's 2. So your constant of variation is 2, therefore your equation is just y equals 2x. Okay, so we'll look at example 2. Suppose A varies directly as B. A varies directly, so over B. That's really important. A varies directly with B, so it's A over B. A is 7. That's going to go on the top. And make sure you realize A is 7. B equals 2. So this is B, so it's going to go on the bottom. That equals 2. Okay? 7 over 2 just simplifies to 7 over 2. Okay? So my equation is y equals, my constant of variation is 7 over 2, x. Done. Okay? One more example, example 3. Suppose R varies directly with P. R varies with P. So R over P. That order is super duper important. Okay, that I messed this one up a little bit on purpose. So make sure you don't trick you guys later. So R varies with P. R over P. P equals 12. Notice P is on the bottom. You may not always get the top number first. P is on the bottom. So that 12 is going to go on the bottom. When R is -3, R is on the top, so I've got my -3 on the top. Be very, very careful. R varies with P, so it's R over P. My P value is 12. My R value is -3. Okay, if I were to type this in, I could do, I could do my fraction, so I've got -3 over 12. That simplifies to -1/4. So my equation is y equals -1/4 x. Okay, so my constant of variations are 2, 7 over 2, and -1/4. Be very careful about what you're putting on top and what you're putting on the bottom. Something varies with something. The first thing before the varies directly goes on the top, the next thing goes on the bottom.